Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a video of a veg mayonnaise. So please note down the ingredients. We need soya milk. So in the market it is available, any soya milk you can take. So you need around 1.5 cup of soya milk, that is 500 ml. 500 ml oil, this soya milk you need. Then you need 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce. You need around 1.5 cup of oil. Like how much you are using milk, that much only you need oil for this. But slowly you have to add that. And you need half cup of vinegar. So let's add all this. So this is like 500 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce, and half cup of vinegar, and then we'll add oil to this and we'll start mixing this together. So you have to make this till it becomes very thick. So how much milk, soya milk you are using, that much oil will be needed to go with this. If you are using 1 liter milk, then 1 liter oil. And vinegar will be 1 cup. So this is 500 ml, that is 1.5 cup of milk, and 1.5 cup of oil will go in this. So now I'll add oil to this again. I am transferring this in a bigger bowl. And I will add another half cup. First time I added half cup, so now I am again adding half cup oil. Becoming thick, and we have to do it till it becomes thick. So now I will add another half to this and mix. It's becoming thick now. is coming to thick. You can see it is coming to thickness. Now we'll add the balance. So as I said, whatever measurement cup of milk you are taking, that measurement of this you have to add. You will not understand otherwise how thick it is becoming. See, now it is becoming thick, so we have to again beat more, if you can see. Okay, so you need a hand blender, then only it is possible to make this. I know in market it is easily available, but 35 rupees to 40 rupees is a small bottle, and we get so much of homemade and only not much ingredients, but yeah. Without it, this is for them. So it is coming to thickness again. So if you see, it is coming to the thickness. So we have to again mix more. The more we mix, the more thickness we'll get. Almost ready. So please get the measurement properly. Like if you are taking 1 liter of soya milk, then take 1 liter of oil, and if you are taking half liter of soya milk, then half liter of oil, and it can go more than half liter also. So you have to check the thickness and consistency, how much it is. Okay. So now this mayonnaise is almost getting ready. It's nice and thick, and it's very thick, if you can see. Here, my mayonnaise. It's like ready, and I've got so much. If you see the quantity. I have taken only 2 cups, 1.5 cup of milk my side, but in liter it is half liter, and I have got so much of this, and half liter of oil is gone. Now it's done. thick mayonnaise is ready. You can see, yeah. So my mayonnaise is ready. So now if I want more thick and if I add oil to this, then I will get more thick. But I think so that I am okay with this thickness to apply and spread. Okay, so I am happy with this. Hope you all will enjoy this and see the thickness of homemade veg mayonnaise. Okay, so it is only depending on oil and soya milk, mustard sauce and vinegar. So please enjoy your homemade mayo. Thank you so much. And egg mayonnaise is very easy and it becomes faster also. But this is for people like doesn't like egg smell and whatever it is. So for them it is. Thank you so much and hope you enjoyed and you will enjoy this for your sandwich. You see so much, such a big bowl I've got. Like I'm happy with it and it will be like for 15 days we can keep in this fridge and we can use this, make this and you can share it with your family, and if any party is there, then nothing like homemade mayonnaise. Thank you so much.